Got me tripping. Ever since I saw you, I went slipping. Didn't even know you. Couldn't even breathe without you. It's how I'm feeling. All I ever wanted, you I'm digging. It's how you got me started. Couldn't even be without you. I wanna be by your side. That's what I'm trying to say. You got me breathless. Got me breathless.
Now that we have closed on the house, we are beginning the design process. We are having to make decisions. So me and Jordan thought it would be fun to, like, on the count of 3, show each other our favorite, like, rooms in each house, right?
Right, so we're gonna have like kitchen, living room, master bedroom, bathrooms.
Yeah, just
like
to
kind of
see
the style, and see if we're like
on the same
page or if we're not on the same page.
We have a shared Pinterest board right now, and we're both pinning things into it. And I feel like we're gonna be on the same page, but I feel like doing this is gonna be like very telling to actually see. So, all right, what room do you want to do first?
Let's start with my favorite room in the house, which is going to be the kitchen. Okay,
Ooh,
the
not a
kitchen.
kitchen.
If there's anything that I've learned about like my house or like our friends' houses or anyone's house that I've ever been to, I feel like everyone likes to hang out in the kitchen. They don't hang out in the living room anymore.
No.
The kitchen is the place to hang out. Kitchen's like the most important room in the whole house to me. That is why I think we should show what we want for the kitchen.
We have so many pins on this board.
I know. And I think we're on the same page, actually.
I think we are, but you never know.
Let me find mine.
This is the problem, is I have so many that I like, and they're all like the same, so I can't decide like one photo over the other, you know? I think I have it though.
This is so hard. It's not the exact, though.
It's the idea though. Like, it's not gonna be exactly obviously what ours is, but it's the idea of like the vibe we're going for, I think.
I have mine.
Okay, so I think what we should do is on the count of 3, we'll show each other, and then we'll like show the camera, we'll put them on.
Okay.
Like, we'll just flip them around. Okay. What? No, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Is that kind of this? You do?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have that one pinned.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I showed was this one.
You got a glare. Great.
Oh,
there.
There we go. Okay, so
That's
that's
what Jesse
mine.
showed. Okay, and this is what I show.
So you actually have mixed cabinets in yours.
So I do have mixed cabinets in mine, but I just like how this, I feel like for me at least, this looks like more quality.
Oh.
Let us know in the comments what you guys think.
I feel like it's a similar look though. Like, I love that picture as well.
I still don't think I'll do like the white for
You don't think we
sure.
will?
Like the white cabinets, I think I would do that same wood color, but that's the exact wood color I like. Exactly.
Yes, yeah. Oh, their hardware is gold and black. We were trying to decide between the two.
I think I would probably just still do gold.
do gold. Okay, I want to show you one thing.
But this is what the pantry is going to be like. It's going to go through. So
Yeah.
the fridge is, this is the exact layout. It's going to be the fridge and the freezer right here, island, and then you're going to walk all the way through into the pantry
That's cool.
and with no door.
So my mom said in the pantry there is like an area where we're going to do backsplash. So do you like stone backsplash like that?
We're going to do backsplash all the way
Like stone?
from inside the pantry, and it's going to go all the way outside behind our floating shelves,
Yeah.
all the way to the floor-to-ceiling
Just
sliders.
Now let's do living room. Oh, this one's kind of hard.
We don't have as many living rooms on
I
here.
know. I feel like we've focused so much on the kitchen.
So I feel like the living room and the kitchen are going to be the exact same vibe because we're going for the same colors.
Yeah. And it's open. It's like all one
Right.
area.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, hold on. I gotta find.
The vibe and the style overall this is exactly what I'm going for.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. I know I have one in here. I just saw it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Shut up! We both showed the same one. That's so funny.
Exactly the same.
Yeah, that's exactly what we want. It sucks because we don't have high ceilings with beams like this. But my mom the other day was saying we may be able to put beams in our ceiling, so we'll see. But that's like totally just like open, cozy, modern.
Right.
Love it. What about bedroom? This is where I think we're gonna differ.
Okay.
It's gonna be interesting to like compare the photos we're showing now to like what our house actually looks like. Because I feel like you always have a picture in your head, and then when it actually comes out to like what it is, it's gonna be probably so different. Do you like this for the laundry room? Like with like a fun tile? I think that's so cute for the laundry room. Come on, honey.
I don't know why this is so difficult.
You're not making a decision. This is just ideas.
I know, but like, there's literally nothing I'm like, I love it.
Oh my gosh. I hope you like the one I like. I have mine.
You have yours? Okay, so hold on. Almost there.
Okay, let's do bedroom first.
Okay, so for
we're gonna
bedroom.
do bedroom. Okay. One. No, honey, you keep breaking the rules.
Okay.
One, two, three. Okay, shut up. I am dying. Okay, this is funny. So listen.
I win.
No. Listen. So Jordan shows this picture, okay? I literally just deleted it because I thought you were gonna hate it. So it's in my deleted, and I had a different one because I was like, he's gonna hate it.
Nope, this one.
Okay, so we have the same one.
Right, now our bedroom, this is like what
Hold on, this is the one I showed. Because I thought he would hate the other one.
Yep.
I thought that was too boho for you.
It is, and it's not what we're gonna, I like it.
I am dead right now.
It looks, I think boho can be so cheap, but that one actually looks good.
Okay, that makes me happy because that was my number one. I'm dying.
That being said though, because like I already have a really expensive nice bed, we're gonna use that, and there's a better picture of the bed in use. Like, this is kind of the vibe I'm talking about.
Let me see. Oh yeah, I like that.
So, all right, let's go to master bathroom now.
Okay, I have.
And again, this one's not like a master bath look.
Just like
but
the idea.
Just the idea, and even then, it's not exactly what I want. I really like the idea of like cement walls in the shower.
Nice.
So.
Okay, one, two, three. Oh, okay, we're a little different. So
Okay,
that's Jordan's.
This is what I kind of like. Lots of really nice like marble and like natural wood, and I'm good with gold or black.
And then I have this one. So like a fun tiled white oak cabinets, gold hardware. But I wanted to show you this because I also like maybe the idea of black in the bathroom because we've talked about black.
Yeah. I'd probably like say this overall vibe is pretty close.
Okay. This has actually been a really nice option, even on a
Is it?
kind of a modern feel.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't, I don't think it disrupts too much. I think with those that you're putting up are kind of too busy for something that you're trying to go for.
Yeah. This is the hardware we decided to go for. We saw this on their desk and we're like, that's it. We want that gold one. Okay, so these are the doors that we're doing. And we just ordered the gold handles to go on them. And then we're doing the frosted glass.
Yep, frosted glass, the etched, acid etched.
This one.
You like the levers?
All right, guys, so we just went and picked out our door finishes. We showed you guys what we chose, the door we liked, and we did our appliances yesterday. So we're starting to actually make final decisions, which is kind of scary, but we're excited, huh?
We're so excited. It is kind of nerve-wracking though, because you don't like want to make the wrong choice.
And there's so many amazing things to choose from and like different styles, so it's hard to like nail it down, but we did it. So we're moving forward, and then I am going to Texas right now. Jordan's staying home with Jagger, and then he's actually going on a work trip this week, and he's going to be updating you guys here on the vlog about his adventure out there, and so I won't say too much. And then after that, when we both get back, it's going to be demo day, knocking down walls and getting this thing going. We are at the house. They started some demo today. Oh, goodness, Jagger. So we are gonna go check it out.
It's pretty cool in there. You want to go see Jack?
Oh my gosh. What? Wow.
Look a little different.
This is trippy. This is so crazy. Oh my gosh.
What the hell did you get yourself into?
I don't know. Oh, look over there. So they knocked down that wall. That was the office?
So this will be the opening into the pantry.
Whoa.
Oh, this is the pantry?
Yeah.
Well, there'll be a wall that
Here.
goes like right
But it goes
here.
all the way down?
Yeah. So this will be our
Oh,
pantry.
that's good. That's a good size.
Yeah. The other side of this will be your hall bathroom.
Yes. This might be scary, but just trust the process and trust God.
This is getting torn out too, this wall. I can't even picture that.
That will be taken out. This will all, the ceiling will all go out.
Whoa. Stu almost touches the ceiling with his head right now.
Yeah, that'll go up to that height.
That is
So you're getting about
wild.
this much.
So our island is like where Stu is?
Yep.
Look, this is how much you're going up on the ceiling. The tip of my fingers, and then you're getting that much more ceiling.
Oh my god!
Wait, where'd the door come from?
So the hall bathroom is on the other side of this closet. Mm-hmm. And we're gonna take this whole wall out and we're gonna join that bathroom and this bathroom all together and make a big master suite. Then this wall is gonna come this way into the room about here, and that's gonna be a laundry room on
At the end of the
side.
side. Okay. This is crazy.
And then this is Jagger's room. And look at the good view you have. You have a view of the mountains.
It's really pretty.
See if she barks from up here.
Sky, you're back home. You're done. You're done.
It's demo day here at the Naughty Fam house. It's time to lay some serious wood. Yeah, that's gotta go. Outdated. I don't know, what can I break? Welcome to Demo Day with your host, Stu Styles.
We are ready for demo day.
Mom, my Dutch bros.
Oh, save the Dutch Bros.
Jesse, what are you doing?
I'm just tearing this wall down.
This is a job for a man. Should I do it?
Do it. You just got a facial. Be careful. Welcome to the Texas vlog. It's 11 p.m. We just finished setting up for the class. Day 2 of classes. We are doing our certifications here in Dallas. I love that type of stuff. We are here waiting for something. I am about to head out to get my tattoo removed. It is so much more painful to get them removed than to actually get a tattoo. It's insane. That's an 8. Oh! What? Okay, yeah.